Arian Santos here of Potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is not to the wise. So, yung Bible version is from Matthew 11 verse 25. At the time, Jesus said, I praise you, Father, Lord of heaven and earth, that you have hidden these things from the wise and intelligent and revealed it to the infants. So, Matthew 11 verse 25. The one who wrote today's story is I think brother siya, Reng Morelos, no? One of the feast builder in PICC. So, yung story niya is about children. Kasi nga, di ba, sabi ng Bible verse natin, the Lord revealed to the infants yung hidden things, but not to the wise and intelligent. So, why? So, sabi ni Brother Reng, yung children daw does not have biases. For example, they fought one moment and at best of friends the next, and they are happy and kissing, forgetting what they fought about. So friend, na-experience ko yan. When my twin daughters were small pa, or children pa sila nun, na-experience ko rin yan. So, when they fight, it happens na napapasali pa ako sa fight nila. Sabihin, I'm still upset sila, bati na parang as if nothing happened. Eh sila yung unang nagkaroon ng fight. But yun nga, they reconcile immediately. Pero ikaw, you still have hangover of the fight. Kasi parang you felt the reason for the fight is so irrelevant or maliit lang, small things. But kumbaga medyo intense yung fight din nga, pero the next moment nakita mo they are okay already, pero ikaw you are still angry of their fights, no? So ganun daw yung mga children, they tend to forget yung mga things that are intense and emotional. So they trust unconditionally kasi. So same qualities we need to encounter God. So yung no biases, trusting unconditionally, forgetting about past hurts, diba? Free of biases, ready to depend on God and trust Him. So, yun daw yung mga kailangan natin to have a relationship with the Lord. Kasi kung may biases tayo, we have resentment, or we do not trust, kumbaga may doubts tayo, yun nagiging hindrance to our a positive working relationship. So the wise and intelligent, they are full of themselves, but God revealed Himself to the infants kasi nga they are helpless, they rely on others, and innocent. So God revealed His wisdom to these people. So yung question, bakit hindi sa atin nililivin ni Lord nga? So yung reflection natin today is, were there instances in your life na you rely on your wisdom without consulting God? Kung ba feeling natin, I can already handle this. Compare the outcome you have when you prayed and consulted the Lord. So yan. Yun yung challenge natin, is trusting the Lord. So alam natin, it's not an easy thing to do. Pero ako, I've shared the other day, di ba, na because I'm the eldest and sa office, parang they also give so much confidence on your authority. Parang hindi ka na makapag-consult sa iba. So, wala kang choice but to consult the Lord. So, God, I may be worldly wise, but I need you. I need your wisdom now. Guide me. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.